Good morning guys, in front of me is Vivo 15 Pro and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select fingerprint face and password, and then click on fingerprint. To enroll your fingerprint, just mark unlock, and now set some backup pattern to your fingerprint and just choose which one you wish to use. If you already have one, you will not have to do it again, like you will be able to provide the particular one, the current one, and then use it as the background security method. But let me enter a new one. So as you enter the PIN code or the password, you can place your fingerprint on the sensor. The sensor is located here, so just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Tap on continue then. And click on OK. As you can see, from now on, you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.